Mari got beats.
Hey you guys, it's Sierra Lachey and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm doing a natural hair twist out on 4A, 4B type hair. It doesn't take long at all. This is actually one of my favorite hairstyles. Comment down below, what's your favorite hairstyle? Do you like twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, protector styles? You name it, drop it down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And turn on those notifications because you don't want to miss any of my recent uploads. Like I've been saying, I'm going to get back into doing natural hair videos. So yeah, as you can tell here, I am just wetting my hair. I had previously had it into a big puff, so I took that down and just pretty much got my hair damp so it can be easy to detangle. Here I try to part my hair. Now I'm not the best at parting my hair, as you can see. I never could get it perfect. But normally when I do twist outs, I just, I finger part and I just take portions of my hair and twist it that way. So that's what I did in this tutorial. So if you were wondering what I did or how I sectioned my hair, I just finger parted it and twisted my hair as I went. So here's where I finger parted it. As you can see, it's not the perfect parts. I just finger parted it, and I'm detangling it with a detangling comb. You can use it on wet or dry hair, but yeah. And then once I did that, I went through with my parting comb and made sure didn't have any kinks or tangles in the ends, so it'll be easier to do. And then here I'm just gonna put the main choice. It's braid out glaze. Now this is it smells so good, y'all, but the thing is, it's very sticky. As you'll see in a minute, how my fingers, it's like literally glazed like honey. So it doesn't take much at all. Just a little bit will do, just for one small twist, like a dab will do. Now here's where a lot of people get confused at. I split my hair or my part into two pieces, and I twisted them at the same time. So as you can see, it's like a rope. I just twisted them, crossed them, and that's pretty much how I twisted it. So it's really not that hard to get. It took me like maybe 1 or 2 tries to catch on, and I started, mastering twists. And also, if it's your first time doing a twist out, don't get discouraged, because it took me, it took me numerous times to get it. And I would always get discouraged and just give up and just say, nah, I just figured out another day. But once you get the hang of it, you're going to be mastering it, and it's going to take no time to do your hair.
Smart.
So pretty much you just repeat the same process over and over until you have completed your whole head. I divided my hair in half. So I had the left section and the right section. I don't know why, but it's always easier for me to do this rather than dividing it into 4. I never really figured out how or why it was always easier, but I'd rather just do it into 2 sections just because. And also a quick reminder, never detangle your hair dry, because it's risking damage and it's gonna break off easily, and you don't want to have damaged hair. So always have your hair damp or like wet, so it can prevent breakage. guys, so I just finished my twist out. As you can see, it's all braided, the front and the back. They're pretty much, I try to get them closely the same size all around. I think this one is probably the biggest one, but I mean, once they dry, they're gonna get puffy anyway. I plan on leaving these in until Saturday. It's currently Thursday night, so because my hair takes a minute to dry anyway, it's gonna take a minute for it to dry unless I actually use my blow dryer, and I really don't want to put any heat on my hair. So I'm gonna let these stay in for at least till Saturday morning, and then I'm gonna come back on here and show you the actual final result of my twist out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna apply some edge control or some gel to lay my edges down a little bit. But then again, I'm not sure where my part will lay Saturday when I do my hair, because I'm doing this for my birthday cookout party, whatever you can say. So I'm gonna leave these in at least for a day and a half, just so I can, you know, they're completely dry and I can get the actual full effect of a twist out. Because if you leave them in too long, or if you don't leave them in long enough, it doesn't actually have a good pattern. So I'm gonna try to let these sit in as long as possible. So this side is starting to dry, and the residue from the product is slowly going away. This side still has a little bit of residue, but yeah, this is the bigger one I was talking about. But the back is done. Just waiting for it to dry. So yeah, I will be back Saturday morning and show you guys the final result. So it's Saturday morning, and today is the day that I'm taking down my twists. As you can see, they have dried completely and they're cute. I would actually wear these out, but I have somewhere to go, so I can't. So now I'm just gonna apply some oil. You choose any oil that you want. I use this to prevent frizz when I'm untwisting my twist, and also it can moisturize it. So now I have untwisted my hair. Now I'm gonna go into each twist where I've untwisted, and I'm gonna go section by section, like pinch a small piece at a time, just so I can stretch it out and make it look fuller. Because I like to have a full head type. Not everybody likes this, but if you want to wear your hair just to untwist, that's up to you. But I prefer having mine twisted out just to make it look full.
Spark?
So here I took a wide tooth comb just to pick the roots of my hair, just to make it look full and, to give it that big look. Now if you have a pick, that is completely fine as well, but I don't have a pick, so I used a wide tooth comb, and I made sure I was careful enough not to pick it too much because it causes frizz. And then lastly, I used some Mielle edge gel. This brand works so good, y'all. Like, it smells good and it doesn't flake up. So if you're looking for edge control, that is definitely a go-to. And there you have it. We have a simple twist out hair tutorial. This was very easy. It feels like a shake and go. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys give this video a fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that bell so you don't miss any of my recent uploads.